Hi there, this is Craig and welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Power Lead System. Power Lead System is a marketing platform where you can create websites, you can create sales pages, you can create sales funnels, you can create a blog. Everything that you need and what people need to build an online business, to collect leads. Everything here is in place. So let me just take you through the back office and I'll show you the bonuses that you get if you sign up with me today. So I'm in the back office of the Power Lead System. It's free to join. You get a 7-day free trial. Okay, so in the back office, I'm just going to go down to the Getting Started tab, which you'll come to this page. You can add your domain name. If you upgrade to the gold member after the 7-day free trial, it's $53.97 every month, where if you bring some people in, you will get $20 residual income. You can add your picture here. The free ad secrets is diamond, so $147 one-time payment where you'll receive $100 commissions. The Social Profit Academy is a platinum level where you'll receive $400 commissions of a $497 one-time payment, and the Master Traffic Institute is a $1,497 one-time payment where you'll receive $1,000 commissions every time somebody comes in under you. So basically, once all this is set up, all you have to do is share it. We're going to have, you've got the team training that you'll get from me today. You'll get access to the team traffic today. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through a few steps of Power Lead System today, and then you can see for yourself just how easy it is today. So I'm going to just click on the easy button, start here. As it says, get started in 3 steps. There's a video here that you can watch. Okay, there's a Facebook group that you can join, the official Power Lead System group. There's over, I believe, 47,000 members worldwide. So there's a lot of people involved. It's making a lot of money for people, and it's just a great company to be part of. If you promote any other business, you can place the link in there. Okay, which I'm a member of My Lead Gen Secrets. If you've seen any of my other videos, you can see I'll promote My Lead Gen Secrets. I make a lot of videos on them. Okay, we have One Funnel Lead Lightning, which is a $7 one-time payment, which you'll receive $6 commissions every time you make a referral on that. We have a free lead system, which is free for life. Okay, which you can bring people in. Everybody needs leads for their business. You can build an email list so you can market to them over and over again. And here is the Power Lead System. You can join there. There'll be a link under the video to join the Power Lead System. Again, it's a 7-day free trial. Then after that you get charged $53.97, where when you bring people in you receive $20 residual income. So there's the 3 funnels there. I'm just going to go through a few extra bits with you. If you click onto websites and go down to websites, these are all the websites here that you can copy, and you can build your own. You can promote the Power Lead System. You can promote any other business that you're part of, okay, outside the system, and you can build your entire sales funnels using this system. There's loads of pages, and of course you can make your own. You can edit these any way you like. And here's the sales pages for Lead Lightning, Lead Lightning checkout. There's the Power Lead System checkout, and here are the Power Lead System sales pages. So everything here is in place. All you have to do is connect to it. You purchase a domain name, connect it to the Power Lead System funnel that you will receive if you sign up with me today, which is inside the training. Okay, so there's all these pages that I've made there. There's even a blog. If you want to create a blog, you can create a blog using this system as well. So also I'm just going to go on to promote your business. Obviously, once you've set up your website and you've set up your business, you obviously need traffic to come into your business. So there's traffic generation online, traffic generation methods offline, email swipe copy, so you can use that for solo ads, social media sites, hangouts and live training. Every Wednesday night there's an overview of the platform held by Franco Gonzalez, and Thursday night is free internet marketing training, mainly on this system. So we have these weekly trainings for you. This is to help you get started, to help you with tips and tricks to improve sales, improve your internet marketing skills if you're a beginner online, and they're worth watching. They're 10 p.m. Eastern time every Wednesday and Thursday night. They actually stay online for the whole entire week. So if you can't make it at 10 p.m, you can see it the next day. It's still online, which it's just really cool. It's full of packed information for you to help you. So there's the promote your business side of it. Here's the training side. Okay, once you come in, I suggest you sign up to the training area. And Power VIP Club, there's extra share codes in there, and there's extra websites and sales funnels in there for you to use, and there's endless free leads. On a budget, you can come in here and Max Steingate, endless free leads, and he will explain, and you can follow along, and you can get your knowledge built up on how to build free leads for your business. There's account information if you need help. There's all the support questions there. We have FAQs for PLS, FAQs for Lead Lightning. Again, I'll leave links in the description below for the PLS and Lead Lightning for you. So if you sign up with me today, you'll get access to the team training, which I'm going to go onto the page now. Here's the team training that you're going to receive. You can connect with me on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and in the videos down here is part 1 of setting up your system. That would be purchasing your domain name, attaching it to your website and your sales funnel, and adding your extra subdomains to connect to your other links. That's just the extra part of setting up your system. Once your system's set up, we need to get traffic to your website. You need eyeballs, you need people looking at your website in order for you to make sales. And we have a traffic system in place for you, for my team only. So you can come up here. Well, if you click this button here, it'll take you to this page. And now here's the team traffic that we have. We have the starter packs from $50 all the way up to $425. And what these are solo ads. All you have to do is give me your link, and I will send you the clicks to your website and your landing page, so you can collect the leads and follow up with them promoting PLS or Lead Lightning. So basically, you'll be paying for 100 clicks, so you'll be getting 100 clicks, links on your website. So this will go out as the traffic pack will go out. You will get 100 eyeballs on your website, and you can possibly have 40 or 50 people sign up under you, depending on how well your offer converts. But I'll just quickly show you the offer that you'll be promoting. It's a $500 tidal wave headline. It says, inside I'll show you a $500 per day system you can start using today to create 73 fresh leads online and daily cash to fill your pockets. That's the main headline. That's the eye-catching headline that you will see before you enter your email to go into the sales page. If you like daily cash and simple systems, you'll love this. This is so simple to use. It's basically copy and paste. You'll be set up within not even an hour, about 25-30 minutes. You can be all set up with this. And the training and high quality traffic source you need to create 500 days is included. Again, here is the training that is provided for you, and that'll show you everything, how to get everything set up for you. And then once you've got everything set up, you can come down and start purchasing traffic and start generating sales with this system. Okay, so that's for the PLS website. This is another opportunity that I'm promoting, which is My Lead Gen Secrets, where you can generate 100 US leads every day, and you can market any opportunity you like. PLS, My Lead Gen Secrets itself, you can market to its platform. Lead Lightning, the $7 product, where you'll collect $6 commissions on. You can use ClickBank, you can use Warrior Plus, or you can use JVZoo. Okay, so this is just the website that I created using the Power Lead system. It's so simple to use. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My Facebook link is below in the description. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the little bell as well, so you'll get notified of any videos that I make in the future. Okay, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Thank you.